How to compare in Tagalog? Well, stick around and find out. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. In the last video, we've discussed the degrees of comparison or the method of comparing the traits or characteristics between subjects. We have learned about the positive degree, lantay, comparative degree, pahambing, and superlative degree, pasukdol. The comparative degree is subgrouped into similar degree, magkatulad, and dissimilar degree, di magkatulad, with the dissimilar degree further subgrouped into better, palamang, and worse, pasahol. We focused on the prefixes in the first layer, magkasing, mas, di masyadong, and pinaka, because those are the prefixes you will most likely hear more often. We have used them in simple Tagalog sentences in the last two videos. If you have missed those two videos, please do check them out. The links are in the description box down below. In this video, we will continue to use the degrees of comparison in Tagalog in comparing the traits or characteristics between subjects. And we will do this with the help of three words: pero, KAYSA KAY or KAYSA SA, and KUMPARA KAY and KUMPARA SA. So, tara, simulan na natin. Let's begin. Let's try the adjective maganda. Beautiful or pretty. Let's begin with the positive degree. Maganda si Ariana. Ariana is beautiful, or Ariana is pretty. In the last video, we made use of rin and din, the Tagalog words for to and also. Let's try. Maganda rin si Marie. Marie is beautiful too, or Marie is also pretty. Maganda ends in a vowel, so we use rin. We use din if the adjective ends in a consonant, as we will see later. Now, let's add the conjunction pero. Pero mas maganda si Ariana. But Ariana is more beautiful. Or, but Ariana is prettier. With the conjunction pero, the difference between the beauty of Ariana and Marie is emphasized. Let me introduce a new pattern. Mas maganda si Ariana kaysa kay Marie. Ariana is more beautiful than Marie. Or, Ariana is prettier than Marie. This is a more emphatic and declarative sentence. It elevates the beauty of Ariana in comparison to Marie with the use of the conjunction KAYSA KAY. We use the indirect marker kay because Marie is a proper noun. Got it? Now, let's try the worst degree with another sentence pattern. Di masyadong maganda si Marie kumpara kay Ariana. Marie is not as beautiful compared to Ariana. Or, Marie is not as pretty compared to Ariana. The characteristic of Marie is reduced in degree compared to Ariana. This is emphasized with the preposition kumpara kay. Again, we use the indirect marker kay because Ariana is a proper noun. Moving on. Malaki ang bahay ko. My house is big. Malaki rin ang bahay niya. His or her house is big too. Or, his or her house is also big. Malaki ends in a vowel, so we use rin. Moving on. Pero, mas malaki ang bahay ko. But my house is bigger. Mas malaki ang bahay ko kaysa sa bahay niya. My house is bigger than his or her house. In this instance, we use the indirect marker sa because the word bahay is a common noun. The same rule is used in the following sentence. Di masyadong malaki ang bahay mo kumpara sa bahay ko. Your house is not as big compared to my house. So, it is kumpara sa and not kumpara kay. Got it? Moving on. Matangkad si Anton. Anton is tall. Matangkad din si Edwin. Edwin is tall too, or Edwin is also tall. We use din because the adjective matangkad ends in a consonant. Got it? Moving on. Pero mas matangkad si Anton. But Anton is taller. Mas matangkad si Anton kaysa kay Edwin. Anton is taller than Edwin. Di masyadong matangkad si Edwin kumpara kay Anton. Edwin is not as tall compared to Anton. Ayos ba? So far, so good. Let's try another example. But before we do that, please make sure that you are subscribed if you're still not by hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. Alright, moving on. Mabait si Ginang Resurrection. Mrs. Resurrection is nice. Mabait din si Ginang Benitez. Mrs. Benitez is nice too. Or Mrs. Benitez is also nice. Pero mas mabait si Ginang Resurrection. But Mrs. Resurrection is nicer. Mas mabait si Ginang Resurrection kaysa kay Ginang Benitez. Mrs. Resurrection is nicer than Mrs. Benitez. Di masyadong mabait si Ginang Benitez kumpara kay Ginang Resurrection. Mrs. Benitez is not as nice compared to Mrs. Resurrection. Magaling si Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi is good. Magaling din si Kylian Mbappe. Kylian Mbappe is good too. Or Kylian Mbappe is also good. Pero mas magaling si Lionel Messi. But Lionel Messi is better. Mas magaling si Lionel Messi kaysa kay Kylian Mbappe. Lionel Messi is better than Kylian Mbappe. Di masyadong magaling si Kylian Mbappe kumpara kay Lionel Messi. Kylian Mbappe is not as good compared to Lionel Messi. Matalino ang estudyante ni June. June's student is intelligent or June's student is smart. Matalino rin ang estudyante ni Ed. Ed's student is intelligent too, or you can say Ed's student is also smart. Pero mas matalino ang estudyante ni June. But June's student is more intelligent. Or you can say, but June's student is smarter. Mas matalino ang estudyante ni June kaysa sa estudyante ni Ed. June's student is more intelligent than Ed's student. Or you can say, June's student is smarter than Ed's student. Di masyadong matalino ang estudyante ni Ed kumpara sa estudyante ni June. Ed's student is not as intelligent compared to June's student. Or you can say, Ed's student is not as smart compared to June's student. Mayaman si Elon Musk. Elon Musk is rich. Mayaman din si Bill Gates. Bill Gates is rich too, or Bill Gates is also rich. Pero mas mayaman si Elon Musk. But Elon Musk is richer. Mas mayaman si Elon Musk kaysa kay Bill Gates. Elon Musk is richer than Bill Gates. Di masyadong mayaman si Bill Gates kumpara kay Elon Musk. Bill Gates is not as rich compared to Elon Musk. Malakas si Superman. Superman is strong. Malakas din si Hulk. Hulk is strong too. Or Hulk is also strong. Pero mas malakas si Superman. But Superman is stronger. Mas malakas si Superman kaysa kay Hulk. Superman is stronger than Hulk. Di masyadong malakas si Hulk kumpara kay Superman. Hulk is not as strong compared to Superman. Matulin ang kotse ni Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton's car is fast. Matulin din ang kotse ni Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen's car is fast too. Or Max Verstappen's car is also fast. Pero mas matulin ang kotse ni Lewis Hamilton. But Lewis Hamilton's car is faster. Mas matulin ang kotse ni Lewis Hamilton kaysa sa kotse ni Max Verstappen. Lewis Hamilton's car is faster than Max Verstappen's car. Di masyadong matulin ang kotse ni Max Verstappen kumpara sa kotse ni Lewis Hamilton. Max Verstappen's car is not as fast compared to Lewis Hamilton's car. Mabilis si Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt is fast. Mabilis din si Tyson Gay. Tyson Gay is fast too. Or Tyson Gay is also fast. Pero mas mabilis si Usain Bolt. But Usain Bolt is faster. Mas mabilis si Usain Bolt kaysa kay Tyson Gay. Usain Bolt is faster than Tyson Gay. Di masyadong mabilis si Tyson Gay kumpara kay Usain Bolt. Tyson Gay is not as fast compared to Usain Bolt. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it some love by clicking on the like button because that will help this channel and this video be recommended to more people, thus helping this channel grow. Alright? Pangit si Jabba the Hutt. Jabba the Hutt is ugly. Pangit din si Jar Jar Binks. Jar Jar Binks is ugly too. Or Jar Jar Binks is also ugly. Pero mas pangit si Jabba the Hutt. But Jabba the Hutt is uglier. Mas pangit si Jabba the Hutt kaysa kay Jar Jar Binks. Jabba the Hutt is uglier than Jar Jar Binks. Di masyadong pangit si Jar Jar Binks kumpara kay Jabba the Hutt. Jar Jar Binks is not as ugly compared to Jabba the Hutt. Mabagal ang computer ni Marie. Marie's computer is slow. Mabagal din ang computer ni Ariana. Ariana's computer is slow too. Or Ariana's computer is also slow. Pero mas mabagal ang computer ni Marie. But Marie's computer is slower. Mas mabagal ang computer ni Marie kaysa sa computer ni Ariana. Marie's computer is slower than Ariana's computer. Di masyadong mabagal ang computer ni Ariana kumpara sa computer ni Marie. Ariana's computer is not as slow compared to Marie's computer. There you have it. We have just completed our lesson on the degrees of comparison in Tagalog. I hope that the sentence patterns we have used can guide you in constructing your own Tagalog sentences. I hope this method is helping you. I will be seeing you again soon as we continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.